Morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to teach you about the transcription process. So, knowledge of DNA molecule is required to understand the transcription process. How many strands are there in a DNA molecule? Two strands. Okay. What is the polarity? How they are arranged? Both the strands in DNA molecule arranged anti-parallel manner. Means one of the strand has polarity 5 prime 3 prime, opposite strand polarity has 3 prime 5 prime. Here in transcription process, the DNA molecule is involved in synthesis of RNA. The process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA is known as transcription. The process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA. Look at here the two strands in a DNA molecule. Among these two strands, one of the strand the containing polarity 3 prime 5 prime 3 prime 5 prime polarity containing strand is involved in synthesis of RNA molecule. Okay, no? So, the process of what is transcription? The process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA, or the synthesis of RNA from DNA molecule is known as transcription. A segment of DNA and only one of the strand is copied into RNA. A segment of the DNA and only one of the strand is copied into RNA. Okay, no? So both the strands are not copied during transcription process. Why the both strands are not copied during transcription? What will happen if the both strands act as a templates? They would code for RNA molecule with different sequences. Complementary does not identical. And in turn, if they code for proteins, and this would complicate the genetic information transfer machinery. This is the first reason. If both the strands are involved in transcription process, what will happen? That's complementary does not identical, and this would complicate the genetic information transfer machinery. What is the second reason? If the two RNA molecules, suppose if the two RNA molecules are produced, two RNA molecules if produced simultaneously would be complementary to each other. So this is a diagrammatic representation of DNA molecule. Generally, both the strands are not involved in synthesis of RNA molecule. If both the strands are involved in synthesis, suppose if both the strands are involved in synthesis of two RNA molecules, what will happen? These two RNA molecules are complementary with each other. Okay, here generally the polarity containing 3 prime 5 prime a strand is involved in synthesis of RNA molecule. Not a complete strand, a small segment of 3 prime 5 prime strand of DNA molecule is involved in synthesis of RNA generally. Suppose if both the strands are involved in synthesis of two RNA molecules, these two RNA molecules are complementary with each other. Here the strand, RNA strand is synthesized from 3 prime 5 prime polarity containing DNA strand. Yellow color strand, RNA strand is synthesized from polarity containing 5 prime 3 prime. Suppose if both the strands are code for two RNA molecules, these two RNA molecules are complementary with each other. So that means here in one strand adenine is present on the opposite strand of the RNA molecule uracil. One strand of RNA molecule is consist of guanine nitrogen bases opposite to the that cytosine is present in another strand. So these two RNA strands are complementary with each other. Okay, so here double stranded would RNA is formed. Two RNA molecules if produced simultaneously would be complementary to each other, hence would form a double stranded RNA. This would prevent RNA from being translated into protein. So the double stranded RNA is not able to involved in synthesis of a proteins. Okay, is it clear? So from this concept, based on the transcription, regarding subjective point of view, the question is, what is transcription? What is transcription? The process of copying genetic information from DNA to RNA. The process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA. From this concept regarding need oriented, the question is, which of the following event takes place in transcription? What are the given options? Option A, both the strands are copied during transcription. Option B, one strand of DNA is copied into RNA. One strand, complete strand. A segment of DNA and only one of the strand is copied into RNA. Option D, all of the above. What is the first option? Both the strands are copied during transcription. Both the strands are not copied during transcription. Both the strands are not copied. So it doesn't take place. One strand of DNA, one complete strand of DNA is copied into RNA, not a complete strand. Okay, so B is also wrong. Next, C, a segment of DNA and only one of the strand is copied into RNA. A segment of DNA, a segment of one strand of DNA molecule is copied into RNA in transcription process. So option C is the correct answer.